everyone, it's me, Zina Sophie, and it's so hot outside. Even though there should be the monsoon season, even though there should be rain, there should be thunder, it should be really uncomfortable this month, but it's not, it's just sunny. Since the 1st of June, but it shouldn't be. Anyhow, today's episode will be all about the little room tour because I told you that Sabrina and I, we first lived in one room, but we decided, okay, everyone needs its own space, and so therefore, finally, I'm living in my room and I would like to give you a room tour, and that's what we do now. I'm waiting for Sabrina that she knocks on the door because I asked her if she could help me to film that video, and so there she is. Hey, come in, come in. Yeah, let's close the door shortly. And yeah, like I told you before, I invited Brina to join me in the big room tour. And let's begin. This is a beautiful little shelf with a German cookbook of a Japanese friend of ours. To this side, there is a beautiful tree branch thing. There's Sabrina with her cat Romeo, which is very important next to the booze. I basically just like the bottle and with the glasses, and it's just nice. Some little memories of our day trip from yesterday. Kamakura Beach was great. You should check out the Instagram of her and mine. And yeah, there's some more over here. It's beautiful. It's just makeup and toothbrush and everything you just have at home as well. So there's nothing more. Yeah, it's not really that interesting. To the other side, there is a beautiful fridge. It's just let's open it shortly. Oh, sorry, Sabrina. I'm just too excited to show everyone else how we live. Yeah, sausages and grapes and leftovers and beer and eggs and yeah, some soya milk, and yeah, that's it. Sabrina has more in her fridge. Maybe we do a room tour at some point as well, or a fridge tour, I don't know. We have to ask her at some point. Umbrella, my little art thing, and my key. So that's my key. Great, amazing key. Yeah, and of course, when you are living in a Japanese house or in a Japanese flat, you have to take off your shoes. Usually, but it's okay, Sabrina, you don't need to do it right now because you are pretty occupied with helping me out. Floor hall thing, and there's lots of space. Maybe it's getting dark now. Yeah, you just see almost nothing. I'm gonna show you more later. Change the settings of the camera. So amazing. I just show you the second door. Yep, there should be some food in the future, but right now it's just a little bit, and Amazon boxes, my beautiful suitcase from Germany, a Japanese book, and yeah, the other side is the same, but just clothes. I won't show it to you because there is my underwear in it, and no one is interested in underwear, right? Well, so yeah, let's continue. I'm so excited, kinda. So to one side, it's my working station. There is still an old cup with no tea in it, my laptop, my graphic tablet, my phone, and yeah, my friends and family on the wall. So I'm still collecting more and more photos. Yeah, you need that when you're far away from your family. You just try to stay connected. The ukulele that I just played once or twice, I'm still learning. Kind of fun. My memory tree needs some more memories, but yeah, Corona's now not over, but we are allowed to travel around or within the different prefectures now, and that means Sabrina and I can make more memories, and so I just can put them on that little thing. To the other side is my little experiment. Yes, that's Sabrina, of course. It's just basically the mirror. So we switched the mirror with the fridge in both rooms. It was lots of fun while we did that. We had a dancing fridge twice. And yeah, other than that, we were collecting a lot of branches a couple of days ago. And yeah, just let's continue talking like that. It's kind of cute. Yeah, we basically try to stay connected to nature, which is pretty cool, and she has to giggle all the time, which is kind of nice. So yeah, I just added some details here and there. You know, necklaces are always tangled up when you put them in the bag. Yup, beautiful, great. Oh my god, you're so good at doing that job. I should hire you, but I can't pay you right now. Yeah, so let's just turn around. That's my bed, my beautiful lamp. There's the window that is currently closed, but there are some flowers. Desk, focus. Just touch on the screen and focus. Maybe it appears, maybe not. Little accidents can happen. So yeah, that's my beautiful bed. It's not squeaking. I'm really happy about it because, well, squeaky beds can be a little bit annoying, not for yourself or maybe for the neighbors. Huh? Oh god, we talk too much about that probably stuff. But yeah, never mind. Beautiful little table desk thing that I built, but yeah, you just try to reuse things, and that's about it. So I can show you the balcony if you like. I just open the door, and well, that's it. Tracks. Yeah, beautiful tracks, flowers. Well, clothes. Yeah, beautiful, amazing. I love the tracks. Yeah, everyone loves tracks. Yeah. Outdoor store again. Ooh. Yes, it's pretty good exercise. It's like yoga. Ooh, ooh. Open, close. Now your arms like up, push it. Yeah, just. So basically that's it. It's not big. It's kind of big for Japanese standards, and quite happy. Focus is not working again. Never mind. It's okay.
Just dark.
And it's just dark. Maybe we should just turn around because we know sun in the back is not good. Pro tip: sun in the back is not good. And without further ado, I kick her out now because I really would like to have another cup of tea because it's hot outside and I drink hot drinks and it's more healthy, but I like it. Never mind, just let's go. Yeah. And you took off your shoes in the end.
Yes.
There.
I did.
Here we are. It was fun. Focus is not working again, but whatever. We're not pros, but we love to do what we just do. And let's go back to work, right? Yeah. Matane. Gosh, what's going on? There's a second helicopter right now just flying over the share house. I mean, yeah, it's like super hot outside, but it's still kind of strange. It's getting louder again. Just let's wait a little bit more.